Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I've had a really nice start to the morning, as you guys saw. I also just showered, I washed my hair, scrubbed my entire body, which always feels so good. I just use like a terry kind of mitt that goes over my hand. I put some body wash on that and I just go in circular motions all over my body and it feels so good. On another note, it is officially the first day of spring today, which is very exciting, but I am sitting in front of a window right now and I'm looking outside and it is completely snowy, as if it's like December. But I think next week it's going to warm up, which I'm very excited about, and hopefully we'll have some sunshine. So there's that. Let me know if you guys are experiencing spring yet, or what the weather situation is where you guys live. But yeah, for us it's been super crazy. This is my outfit of the day today. I really love this set. It is from Alo Yoga and it is so comfy and cozy. I love the fit of the joggers. It's also got little pockets and the top is a little bit cropped but not too much. I feel like it's the perfect length, and it's got these little cute sleeves as well. And then my necklace is from Soma, as are my gold hoops. So yeah, this is what I'm lounging around in today. Mo has actually just gone to IKEA to pick up something for our entryway. We're getting a closet put in for our jackets and shoes, which is very exciting. But when he gets back, we wanted to sit down and do a little hair care chat together. This was actually his idea, which I thought was really cute. He sometimes reads the comments under my videos, and some of you guys usually have questions regarding my color, maintenance, and any tips that he could give. And because hair salons are opening up now, I don't know how it is where you guys are, but here they are starting to slowly open up again. So we thought it could be good timing to share some of these tips, as he is a professional stylist and hair colorist, and he is really good, if I can say so myself. So I'm excited to get into that in a little bit. And just personally, one of my biggest hair tips, if you color your hair or bleach your hair and you want it to stay looking fresh, is to use a purple shampoo and conditioner as part of your hair care routine. This is something that is so important, especially for my hair, because when I bleach my hair or color my hair or highlight my hair, it tends to go quite orange and brassy, and it has a very warm undertone. So Mo will always use a purple tone in the color that he puts on my hair. But of course, these pigments wear off with time, so it's really important to put them back into your hair by using proper products like this that will help to maintain the color and the tone of your hair. This set is by Function of Beauty. You guys know I absolutely love them, and I'm excited to be partnering with them again on this video. I've been using this set since December, so it's been about 3 months, and I've used their original collection of shampoos and conditioners as well, which is also great. And this purple shampoo is really good. It has a beautiful rich purple pigment that really holds in your hair, and I've actually customized this to fit perfectly to my own hair, which is what I love about Function of Beauty. So they have all these different categories. You can personalize the formula to your hair type. You can pick your hair goals, and I think that's what makes this purple shampoo really special, because in the past I felt like shampoos like this can leave a nice effect on the hair, but they're usually very drying. And with this, I actually customized it to be deep conditioning, strengthening, volumizing, anti-frizz, and to reduce brassiness. Another thing which is really fun that you can customize is the scent of the shampoo and conditioner. I really love the lavender and eucalyptus. It smells so refreshing, like a true spa moment in the shower. And you can also choose the intensity of the scent as well, which is so cool. You can also choose the color of your formula. Of course, I have the purple ones, but in the past I've customized it to be white, and I just love how simple and chic it looks. And you can also put your name on the bottle, so I have here Function of Annie. But above all, the formula is really great, and I would highly recommend it. And what's really great as well is that they're made with clean ingredients, so there are no parabens, no sulfates, GMOs, or toxins. They are also 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Plus the fact that you're able to fully customize the formula to your hair type, I think that is so amazing, because we all have slightly different hair. Some hair is thicker, some hair is naturally drier, some is silkier, some is frizzier, and our hair goals might even differ slightly throughout the year. So I just love that you're you're able to customize and truly make these formulas work for you. And the fact that you can also customize like the scent, the color, and the name on the bottle, I think that is really, really cute. And they have a really special offer for you guys. So if you want to try any of their products, you can click the link down below in the description box and you will get 20% off your first set. Again, I would highly recommend these. I've been using this brand for over a year, and before they launched the purple one, I was using their original non-pigmented formula, and Mo loves it as well. So if you guys want to check it out, make sure to check the description box down below for 20% off. This is my lunch today. I got this yesterday actually. I wanted to eat this and we ended up having something else, so I'm gonna have it today instead. And there's a beautiful lentil salad on the bottom. Looks like it has some pomegranate, celery, and some herbs, and then some spinach and a salmon fillet on top. Okay, so I'm here with the hair expert himself.
Hey.
If you guys are new to my channel, this is Mo. He is my fiance.
Not only a fiance, we are a lot. We are best friends. My fiance.
He's my business partner.
Future husband, business partner.
He's also a hair expert. He is the one who's been doing my hair for the last like 4.5 years since we've been together, basically. So if you've ever wanted to know anything about my color, or if you like my color, or you want to know who does my color, it is Mo.
So I think this is something that everyone experiences. I think you have experienced that as well. When you go to a hairdresser and you want to reach a specific goal,
with your color.
Yeah, you come in and you say, hey, I want to have this specific color. And sometimes it's actually very difficult to explain what you want. The hairdresser has something in head, you have something in head, maybe it's not the same. I would recommend for this kind of thing, take your time with the consultation. Let the hairdresser never say, I know what to do.
Also on that point, I would say to bring pictures. Like Mo's saying, the stylist could have a completely different vision. If you say balayage or ombre or sun-kissed or light blonde, honey, like that can mean so many different things to different people.
I've seen lots of balayage that people did when they came to me because they had to fix it, where the hairdresser said that's a balayage. So bring a picture. There's always this kind of book, I would say it's the Bible of the hairdresser, where he has all these hair
samples, like color samples of hair.
Yeah, let him show you some samples, like literally go through it in detail. Ask questions like, listen, I have already hair color in my hair. How does it affect my new color? How is it if I don't have a hair color in my hair? You know, there's so many steps. If you had already 3 times hair color, and I want to have or reach a new color, it's a totally different situation than if your color is blank and there's no color in it, you know?
The second point that is really important to consider is to be patient when it comes to your hair color. So the color that I have now in my hair, this is very difficult to achieve in just one setting, especially if you have never had color in your hair before, or even if you have color in your hair and you want to change it. You have to be patient. It can take what, like 4 sessions, 5 sessions, until you really get like that kind of natural, grown out, sun-kissed look to your hair. It doesn't just happen on the first session.
At the end of the day, as Annie's saying, like, be patient. Like at the end of the day, if you have a good situation or start point, maybe it's possible at the first time. But most of the time, the situation is not perfect. You know, don't be actually disappointed if it's not made by the first time. So be patient. Make a real strict plan with the hairdresser and say, listen, how many times do we need for that? How would it work? First time we do this, second time we do that. Like a real plan. And I think this is something how you can achieve every color in the world. So take time with that, be patient. So the third point, and I think this is one of the most important, as important as having a nice color, is maintaining that color.
Totally.
This is something that people like often, how do you say, underestimate. You know, they have a nice color and then they're like, oh, perfect, now it's there, so screw everything else. You know, I don't need to maintain, I don't need like good treatments for my hair. Annie had like a color, she wanted to be in a cool tone, so she has to maintain that.
Even when you color my hair, right, you always put a little bit of a purple pigment within the color to kind of neutralize the the brassiness or the orange tone that could come. And you were saying to me that when you shampoo your hair, these pigments will slowly start to fade and get washed out of your hair. So it's important to keep putting them back. Yeah,
that it helps you maintaining this nice blonde. So at the end of the day, the only treatment that you can do is via some shampoo or some conditioner or a mask, something like that is the only treatment
to rebuild the hair. Yeah, like bond building products too.
Totally. Yeah. The last thing what I want to say is always expect that your hair, then more it's treated well and it's hydrated, then better you can work with it, then better it does what you want. That's what you have to consider. At the end of the day, think about it. Every blow dry or every hair straightener that you use, you lose hydration and like good ingredients from your hair. So you have to rebuild them, always put them back. You have to maintain it. Maintain. At the end of the day, it comes also about nourishing. Inner nourishment is...
Because your hair grows from within. The inside out. So you need to give yourself the good building blocks so that your hair can actually grow healthy and that your body can make that healthy hair.
I've experienced that. Like I've experienced days where I didn't treat myself very well or I was very stressed, and I see it in my hair. Like
same.
See that? Then better I feel, then better my hair looks. And it's crazy, and it's like a very big part. And you have always to consider, maybe right now it doesn't look like that, but what is growing out is gonna look like that, The step that's already grow out, okay, maybe you had a good time at that, but you have to maintain that as well.
It's like, this part was when we were on vacation, this is like extra shiny.
Yeah, I mean, and then
actually, here we had like a lot of stress.
I think this is like, here we have been in Dubai.
That's of course something important as well, and that's something that you can decide on every day, like with what you're eating, how you're living. That's something that's really like a choice that you can try to consciously make.
Whenever you have like questions, leave them down below or write me. I'm happy to help, but at the end of the day, I think when you have questions, leave them down below and say, hey, Annie and Mo, we want to hear more about that, and we can definitely do that. I hope that helped a little bit, and I'm out.
This is our new entryway closet that I was telling you guys about before. We got this from IKEA. It is a PAX. We also have these in our wardrobes and one in our office, and we absolutely love this system. So we've got this side over here with some drawers and some space for shoes and jackets. Those are two of mine. And then we have to do this funny little door again, like in the office, to make it fit perfectly. We also have this little space here at the top and the same on the other side. I might get some boxes and put some things that we don't use very often could go there. But yeah, I really love this. And then we have our door here, the mirror, but this just looks so much better. Before we just had a rail. Some of you guys might remember that from the previous vlog, but this actually fits so perfectly. For dinner, we had zoodles with homemade turkey meatballs and a tahini garlic dressing. Just really simple, but really good. So first for the meatballs, I'm just chopping up an onion and then adding in the rest of the ingredients to a bowl. I will make sure to have this recipe down below for you guys if you want to know exactly how I make it. And I like to make a pretty big batch, so I have some for the next few days. These are also great over salads or with pasta, brown rice, any veggies, and actually also like to put some in the freezer for the week after as well, so it's a really great thing to meal prep. As those are baking in the oven, I'm just making the zucchini noodles with this handheld spiralizer. Works really well. And then a quick tahini sauce to go on top, so I'm just squeezing out the juice of 1 lemon, adding in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of tahini, some olive oil, oregano, garlic powder, and a dash of apple cider vinegar. Just mix all of that up and you have a beautiful dressing. I hope you guys enjoyed this little day in the life. As always, make sure to check the description box down below for recipes, links, anything that I mentioned, it will be down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all having a really nice day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.